Hello everyone, it's Axel from SEGGER. Today I want to talk to you about the keyboard widget in AppWizard. More and more embedded devices need some kind of user input in the form of characters or numbers. And the best way to do this is by adding a keyboard to the GUI, just like users are accustomed to from their smartphones. So I have a really simple GUI here with just a screen and a box. And if I would like to add a keyboard to it, I can go over here and click on the keyboard widget, and it will bring in a full-size keyboard that I can then position and resize the way I would like. Now, if we have a keyboard, then we also need either an edit or a multi-edit box to go along with that. So I can bring that in here as well. And we can try that out right away using the handy play mode in AppWizard. So I can click in here and then I can start typing away on my keyboard. And obviously the keystrokes in your embedded applications would be taps from the user's fingers. Now let's close this play mode and take a look at the various properties that we have available for the keyboard. The most important one is the keyboard layout, and there are some predefined keyboard layouts that come with AppWizard that you can select from: English, German, French, Russian, and then a simple number pad. Obviously, a number pad is great for entering access codes, pin numbers, and things like that. Of course, you can also create completely customized keyboard layouts, but you would not do that in AppWizard. You would do that in emWin, which is the underlying graphics library. A cool feature of the keyboard widget is the long press feature. For example, if I go to this German long press keyboard, then if I stay long on a key, I will get additional options that I can select from. Of course, you can also control the font for both the regular key codes as well as for the long press codes. And of course, you can also change the color scheme of your keyboard. So for example, if you want to change the color of your keys, you can do it like this. You can also change the background colors for the keys. Right now it's transparent, but let's say I wanted those to be blue. Then that's what it would look like. A couple of other things you can do is set the period for the backspace key. So you can set that timing here, as well as the radius for the key outline. If you prefer some rounder keys, then you can change the radius like that. Probably easy to see if we zoom in a little bit. Here you can see the radius of those keys. And you can set the space between the keys. So for example, you can make the keys be spaced apart more, which will then make for easier typing. The text or the numbers that get typed in, you would then pick up from your edit widget and use it in your application. And the way that is done, you can see in a different video that we have specifically about the edit widget and the multi-edit widget. And that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to talk to you about regarding the keyboard widget. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please also check out our other videos on AppWizard and emWin. And as always, thanks for watching.